Senri Shenzhen Outdoor Company Limited, established in 2020. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access. Our factory covers an area of 6,000 square meters and has 120 employees. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Our tenet is born for outdoor, live for adventure. In addition, we have obtained IEC, CCC certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions such as United States, Canada, Australia, Germany. Over the past few years, we have expanded the markets around the world and create business relationship with top brands. All of our products are according to the latest standards and trends, as well as providing OEM and ODM services. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We would like to give our thanks to all the customers that have already found the way to our company. In addition, we would like to invite new customers to try out our company and benefit from our business.